Namaskar friends. Welcome to Delhi Law Firm, your trusted legal partner for court marriage, marriage registration, and legal awareness across India. Today we will talk about a topic that is very popular among young couples who want to marry legally without delay, Tatkal court marriage. Many people ask, can we get married legally in one day? The answer is yes. If all documents are complete and both partners are eligible, it is absolutely possible to solemnize and register your marriage legally on the same day. Tatkal court marriage is not a separate law, but a fast-track legal procedure under the existing Indian Marriage Acts. The word Tatkal means urgent or immediate. In this process, couples who have all required documents can complete their marriage solemnization and receive a valid certificate within a few hours. The marriage can be solemnized either through Arya Samaj Mandir for Hindu, Sikh, Jain and Buddhist couples or through the Special Marriage Act for interreligious or civil marriages. For a Tatkal court marriage, both partners must be adults, the boy must be at least 21 years old and the girl at least 18 years. Both must be unmarried, or if previously married, they should have legal proof of divorce or widowhood. Both must give free consent, meaning there is no pressure or compulsion. You need to bring your ID proof such as Aadhaar, passport or voter ID, along with age proof, passport size photographs and address proof. For foreign or NRI partners, additional documents like embassy NOC, marital status report and passport copies are required. The process is simple. First, the documents are verified by our legal experts. Then, both partners sign affidavits declaring their marital status, nationality and consent. Our legal team prepares the required applications and affidavits. Once documents are ready, the couple visits the Arya Samaj Mandir or marriage office for solemnization. For Hindu couples, the ceremony takes place with Vedic rituals, mantras, vows and garland exchange in the presence of witnesses. For interfaith couples, the marriage is solemnized before a marriage officer as a civil ceremony. After this, witnesses sign the marriage register and the couple receives their marriage certificate. The entire process takes around 3 to 4 hours if all papers are complete and the schedule is fixed in advance. Now the question arises, is this marriage legally valid? The answer is yes. A Tatkal court marriage conducted by a government marriage registrar is 100% legal and valid throughout India. The marriage certificate issued after the ceremony is recognized by all government offices and embassies. You can use it for passport, visa, joint bank accounts, property, or any other legal requirement. There are many misunderstandings about Tatkal marriages. Some believe that same-day marriages are fake or illegal because the Special Marriage Act requires 30 days notice. But that notice period applies only if you directly apply under the Special Marriage Act at the registrar's office. Under the Hindu Marriage Act, Christian Marriage Act, or Muslim marriage law, when the couple marries through as per their religion and then gets their marriage registered, there is no such waiting period. Therefore, Tatkal court marriage is a perfectly lawful process if done properly. The advantages of Tatkal court marriage are many. It saves time, provides complete legal protection and ensures confidentiality for couples who prefer privacy. The certificate is valid nationwide and provides instant recognition of the relationship. It is especially helpful for interreligious, working professionals or those who need the certificate urgently for visa or travel purposes. However, one must be cautious. There are fake agents and unauthorized centers that issue illegal certificates. Always ensure that your marriage certificate is issued by the marriage registrar. It can also be verified on the official government portal. Keep your original documents ready, bring 2 adult witnesses and sign all papers personally before the registrar. Delhi Law Firm ensures that every step is transparent, documented and legally compliant. After marriage, both husband and wife gain important legal rights. The marriage certificate serves as proof of your lawful union. It secures your rights in inheritance, maintenance, nomination in bank or property, and even legal protection in case of any dispute. If ever required, it also helps you claim spousal benefits and social security. So friends, Tatkal court marriage is not about shortcuts, it is about using your legal rights responsibly and confidently. Whether you belong to the same religion or different faiths, you have the right to marry a person of your choice and get your relationship legally recognized. Delhi Law Firm is always ready to help you with documents, verification, and full guidance from start to finish. If you or anyone you know is planning marriage soon, contact Delhi Law Firm for professional assistance and safe same-day registration. Visit the website courtmarriage.in. Thank you for listening. Stay informed, stay empowered, and always choose the legal way with Delhi Law Firm, your trusted legal partner for marriage registration and protection of your rights.